I'm Dorothy from Let's Eat Malaysian. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Nasi Lemak. Now Nasi Lemak, the word lemak means rich, and Nasi Lemak consists of coconut milk. Now what we have here is ginger, minced ginger from Gourmet's, a quarter brown onion finely minced, 4 strips of pandan leaf or screw pine as you call it, salt. I have here 4 tablespoons of coconut powder in 1 cup of lukewarm water. Now, it's a very easy recipe to do. Actually, I don't need this. Alright, what you do is, now I'm using here is long grain rice, and there's 2/3 cup of long grain rice. As you see, I don't wash my rice because it's clean enough, so I don't wash my rice. What I'm going to do is put in my onion, a dollop of ginger, just 1 squeeze will do. You don't want a gingery rice, so you just want to have that rice fragrance. Your milk, your coconut milk, oops, salt. Now you can put 2 pinch of salt, but basically I use about this much. 2 pinch, 3 pinch of salt. And lastly, you stir your rice to distribute your ginger dollop and your salt, and of course your minced onion or chopped onion, and then screw pine leaves. You tie it into a knot, so I'm going to fold and then go around it and make it into a knot, and you put it in, okay, and it's ready to go. Okay, your rice is done. So what you want to do is take off this pandan leaf, fluff up the rice, and then cover it back and let it keep warm until you're ready to have it for your meal. It's hot. Because of the coconut, it has burnt a bit, but it's okay. What you want to do is, evenly distribute the flavor.